na yun.
Sabihin kay Ninong. Thank you po. Ninong.
Next will be Irma Nolo. Okay, will be followed po by Johnny T. Adeliana.
Okay na. Oh, Ninong. Yan. Oh, kamu naman ka rin, dali na. Oh, nga, dali. Rel, iling.
Mark by a crown. Let's all welcome the 7 gifts. Okay, may I call on Jeneline Abiliana for 7 gifts. Thank you.
Next will be Grace Hernandez for the 7 gifts. Grace Hernandez.
Again, may we call on Grace Hernandez. Okay, let's proceed. May I call on... Hello. Let's proceed to the 7 wishes. 7 wishes can represent a multitude of things, from meaningful aspirations to shared stories, years of life, and even new beginnings. As a child's 7th birthday marks a transition into a new chapter of learning and growth. May I call on Lola Paz for her inspirational message for Brielle. Lola Paz? Wala? Okay. Lola Arlene for her inspirational message for the birthday boy. Nagkaroon na. Okay. Lola Betty. Lola Betty, okay, for her inspirational message to our birthday boy.
Happy birthday, Brielle. I wish you all the best for you. Sana mabait ka palagi. Pagpatuloy mo ang iyong pagiging matalino. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Next will be Tita Perla for her inspirational talk.
Okay, next. Bago na tayo ito. Tita Vina. Please prepare, Tita Haina. Happy birthday, Brielle. Ngunya, 7 ka na dati sa dayuton ka pang aki-aki na pag-uubo ko. Ngunya, nakulaong ka na. O baka naranasan mo mag-birthday na araw kayo. Love na love ka ni Tita. Excited kayo open ang regalo. Big sirit ko pa, oh. Happy message mo si Tata.
Sirit.
Love ka ni Tata. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo lang, opo. Thank you. Okay, Tita Haina for special gift.
Maparanilong ito.
Tita Haina? Okay. Let's proceed. Tita Adona. Tita Adona for her special gift. And a short message.
Happy birthday, Brielle. Best wishes ni Tita Donna sa'yo, siyempre. And siyempre,
Lumaki ka na may faith in God, magpakabait ka, and be humble always. Happy birthday, Brian. Okay, thank you, Tita Donna. Oni Brian, arap ko maugma ka from Tita Hayna. Oh, happy ka? Happy ka? Thank you na. Okay, for another.
Next will be Tita Karen for her message and
Happy birthday, Bren. Wish ko sa inyo. Magdapula ka. Mabuot. Magmatik kinamamag ka ko. Happy birthday. Love, love me kita. Love you, Bren. Okay? Special gift from his Lola Ribing. Lola Ribing, ika na, and give a short message.
At sa Diyos, sa buhay na lawig mo, Dre. Lugod ko din mag-uot kang at. Ating salamat sa mga panahon. Salamat sa mga aniyong didi. Salamat sa Indogabos. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Okay? Mama G, special gift. Okay, binigay na daw. Kuya, okay, Lolo June. Wala? Lolo June, special gift. Wala na. Ay, naaraw ni Lolo ko sa Magi. Tuman pa sa inutan. Yun na,
Very good.
Very good.
okay? To finally end this birthday celebration program, okay? May I thank everyone. Thank you. It is our pleasure to be part of this significant celebration of your life. Today is not the end, but the beginning of a longer road to walk. We wish you nothing but the best that life can offer. Happy birthday again, and for the guests, enjoy the rest of the day. It is now the time to party and enjoy. First, makanta po kita ang happy birthday sa birthday boy. Okay? Okay, makanta po.
Iikot.
Sing na mga kids. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Okay, once again! Happy birthday to you, go! Happy birthday to you! Braille, make a wish. A wish, then blow. Yeah! Yeah! Happy ka, Braille? Ano sa... Oh, ano ka? Tay pa, blow. Okay. Ano sasabihin mo sa mga tao?
Thank you.
Okay? Papa Romar. Special message po kay Brel. Hi si Papa Romar. Busy? Oh, busy na.
Uy, kita ikut dalam baku mauran ano. Open ko tayo ni maliwanag. Tapos lagi. Tapos manakurang.
Ikot ako ha. Maikot ha.
Ay, magpagani po mga ating pagkurang.
Dako dyan na. Dako ng tabas.
Tapos ito mga sumakurang.
May tabas mo na.
Di, pati ka yan. Nagkasi abi yan. Iya.
Nandan lang na.